Hello everyone, this is Akanksha Nigam and you are watching AMS TV. Today we have the white setter with us, Jay Kanochia, aka J Tribe. So J Tribe, how you doing?
All good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty great. आप पूरे 2 साल बाद राम स्वरूप आ रहे हैं हारमोनी 2021 में. आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Pretty excited, pretty nervous, and it feels good.
It feels good, right? तो J Tribe, जहाँ तक I know, you're based in Mumbai. Then what are you doing in Lucknow?
I have my academy here by the name of the Beats Kitchen. It's the only DJing academy of UP.
Okay, so you teach children and people to be DJ like you itself.
Exactly.
That is really nice, I guess. And coming to your DJing, I read on your bio, you wrote that I never stick to one genre. What's that?
Basically, when I perform in front of 2,000, 3,000, maybe 6,000 kind of people, it's not that all the audience is coming for one genre, right? Some might like hip hop, some might like EDM, some might like trap, dubstep, that kind of music. So sticking to one genre, it's like quite biased, na.
Yeah, I do kind of get it. But what's your favorite genre of music?
If you say like what I enjoy the most, it's psytrance and hip hop.
Psy, trance and hip hop. लखनऊ में आपका जो अकेडमी है ये कितने टाइम से था?
It's been more than 2.5 years.
More than 2.5 years. And ये जो आपका पैशन है या जो आपका एज अ प्रोफेशन है डीजेइंग, आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ थी एंड वेयर इट केम फ्रॉम? बिकॉज नॉर्मली पेरेंट्स का होता है डॉक्टर बन जाओ, इंजीनियर बन जाओ, गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर लो. ये डीजे कहाँ से आया?
Basically, it's a long story. I started my career as a waiter when I was 14.
Okay.
And then I shifted to kitchen when I was 18 or maybe 19 years. I worked in a 5-star restaurant, a 5-star hotel, as a commie 3 in a restaurant for almost 1.5 years. Then I shifted to bar as a bartender for 8 months. And वो हुआ ना उस time पे it was like I wanted to grow fast. And kitchen में it was slow career. Again bartender, it was a slow career. Then I saw that the DJ is getting the most hype, right? And I was more into music from my school days. I was the only guy in my school to listen Akon, Pitbull kind of music. So I thought let's give it a try to DJing. Then I started participating in War of DJs. Starting में 1 साल सिर्फ हारा हूँ मैं competitions. More than 100 and 150 competition I lost. After that I started winning, and then I had almost 15 to 17 titles like as a winner. Second, third की गिनती नहीं है. So that's how my career started as a DJ.
That is really nice. Like we can say that you're a chef as well, a mixologist, a bartender, like all in one. J Tribe is all in one, guys. And when it comes to your winning वाला part, where you said you lost for like 1.5 साल, उसके बाद तो वो start कैसे हुआ? Like 1.5 साल बाद try करने के बाद ऐसा नहीं लगा कि like यार we should leave this like?
No, it was like I was not having any equipment. I was not trained from any academy. So I was the participation I did in the competition, that was my practice time. The 5 minutes I used to get, that was my practice time. So I used to practice in that. तो वो जो हारा हो ना वो मैं उसको I don't consider as a losing side of mine. It was a practice side of mine. तो जैसे एक बार train हो गया, then I started winning.
That is really nice. Like 1.5 साल आपने सारे competitions को अपना practice session बना लिया था. That is really cool. And जैसे कि अभी जो DJs वगैरह हैं या जो एस्पायर कर रहे हैं डीजे, उनकी कोई इंस्पिरेशन होगी? आप बहुतों की इंस्पिरेशन हो गए, आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कौन था?
It's DJ Skip. He's a guy from Delhi. He's India's best turntablist. So DJ Skip is my inspiration.
That is really cool, DJ Skip. And moving forward, like जो मैंने कहा अभी जो यंग DJs हो रहे होंगे, जो आपको फॉलो कर रहे होंगे, आप उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
There's a policy in my academy, like if anyone wants to enter as a student in the Beats Kitchen, I always say that you will get admission in my academy only if you take it as a hobby, not as a career. For a start. If you start it as a hobby and you start enjoying it, you find your own way in that thing, then only go for it. अगर आप ये सोच के आओगे कि मैं यहाँ पे आ रहा हूँ और यहाँ से निकल के आई डायरेक्टली परफॉर्म एट टुमारोलैंड और मे बी सनबर्न, तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. इन प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ इट्स वेरी टफ टू गेट ओवर दो स्टेजेस. So that's the thing. I would say focus more on your studies, and rather than studies, you can go according to your passion. Keep it as a hobby, and that's how I would suggest the students keep studies are always priority.
दैट इज़ रियली नाइस। और जैसे कि आपने कहा कि बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स वगैरह में, प्रोग्राम्स वगैरह में तो आपने भी परफॉर्म किया होगा। सबसे आइकॉनिक डीजे नाइट आपकी कहाँ की रही है?
Iconic DJ night, I would say one is IIM Lucknow.
हारमोनी 2021 इज़ हियर एंड आई होप कि आपकी नेक्स्ट आइकॉनिक नाइट्स जो हो वो यहाँ पर हो। And I think that was it. Thank you so much, DJ Tribe. It was really nice talking to you. That was it, guys. And we hope you people will keep watching IMS TV.